on this episode of Facepalmfishing. We were given the challenge to survive at Sembawang for 2 days. However, little did we know, it wouldn't be that easy.
This is really bad right now, guys. This is really going bad. This is really bad. This is going really bad.
Be careful, don't get hooked by the own hook.
Far hook line. And there is like because like far hook I think I fail, right?
Marcus, do you even know what a milkfish is?
So Yushan lost the lens cap.
I'm not even kidding, man.
What did I say?
Say nothing.
The trophies.
I found it.
You found it? Actually your trophies.
Guys peed on the seat.
There's Yushan right now. Maybe? Yes, I'm recording.
Alright guys, Sembawang Beach. Lester is setting up. Running in the guides. We are now. We are given a limited supply of food, which Marcus was carrying. Marcus.
Yeah?
Right now we're going to jetty to try our luck in the morning first, because our best bet to catch a fish is right now in the wee hours. That's what it's called. What a beautiful sunset. Alright Marcus, we're gonna try the fish. Since Marcus lost the food, our first priority was to catch fish. But as you can see, it isn't really working out.
Can I say that again?
I'm gonna pull out
Say that again?
just to show you how much bloody anchovies there are in the water. I'm gonna straight away pull out like 4 right now. Right, ready? Wait. Alright guys, sorry.
Yeah, Yushan?
Alright, I'm gonna pull out like 4 right now.
Okay. Yushan, just run away, Yushan. Just run away. No.
Okay.
And then, Marcus, the JC student, had an encounter with a crab.
Look at the poor thing. It's a fault, man.
Not like this.
Marcus, bring it there. It's a crab, man. Let's check it out.
It's okay, I can fix it. Okay.
The good news is we got half a claw.
After fishing for about 2 hours, Marcus and I decided to ditch our modern and advanced fishing technology and try something a little more primitive, which is spearfishing. But first, we had to make a spear.
The ironic thing, right, is that we spent more money trying to make a crab trap than actually just buying an actual real one.
No, it's just ironic. The fact that we are going to try to fish using a primitive method when, despite having freaking expensive gear. So what we're trying to do right now is to actually use a spear, because normally in Sembawang Beach, Assams will travel from like there and under the jetty and out there. So what we're hoping for is, once the Assam is like under the jetty around there, I think someone is gonna jump in with the spear and hopefully spear an Assam. Right, so we just found a stick. Marcus, I don't think that's good enough. It's barnacles and shit on it, man. Let's go there. Alright, so let's break this off. Perfect.
Yes.
Ready? Actually, I have no idea what I'm fixing.
Nothing to say, honestly, nothing to say.
One shit. We're gonna try. I think it's sharp. You think this will do, Marcus?
Nope.
While the two bimbos were messing around, Lester actually caught some fish.
Lester caught fucking queenfish, bro. Lester just caught 3 guys. So this is good eating fish over here. This is our look for today. Lester caught all of it. In the back we have a crab, probably the size of half of my hand. In here we have 2 needle whatever. Needle scale queen. And then we have 3 sargais, trevally. He caught it on sabiki. Pretty awesome. You guys get a few pictures and wash these guys up and we have them for lunch. Because we are hungry. Are you hungry, Marcus? This guy has gone mental.
Saga is scale. Just find out. Okay, later you tell me if you feel anything. If you're lucky you get the...
Guys, I just got stung. We set out a fire.
Yeah, so I think.
Don't ask me why I'm half naked. Because it's goddamn hot.
I just want things up. Oh, it actually works as fuel.
Just wrap it inside, then you pour the side.
Do I put any seasoning on it first?
Yeah.
Salt and pepper.
And oil, I got oil. Okay.
You cut slices on it? Inside the fish.
Yeah, inside in the gut there. Right, tastes nice.
Pour. Then you pour the edges.
You put this over the thing first.
Okay. Yeah, fire.
Okay, put this over fire, put this over fire.
Now all the smoke is coming out is the moisture and the
Yeah,
oils in the wood.
yeah. How are you supposed to chuck it? Okay, then later just keep it up. Put your hand. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, let's just do the others. Just this open. Try some. This is caught about 1 or 2 hours ago.
How's it, Lester? Good, man. It's a lot better than I thought. I thought we would get it like a bit raw. It's so good that you can bake it.
To viewers out there, tastes like the sea.
I'm recording
There's a
it.
hint of charcoal taste because we grilled it. Wait, is this grilled? It's like,
We smoke, I guess.
yeah, we saw the smoke. Yeah, I'm not sure, man. But with a hint of the twigs. Thank God we actually used the twigs. Is this like charcoal feel, charcoal taste?
Yeah, got charcoal taste, right?
I mean, I might be eating cancer right now. I don't even know. But
You might be eating cancer.
all I know is it tastes pretty good. And probably gonna die tomorrow. Shit, it's hot! Super hot! So just cook the queenfish. Tastes awesome, man. I'm not even kidding.
After eating lunch, we went back to the jetty to try our luck. However, the weather has taken a toll on us, and the JC student has gone insane.
This guy wants to go home. No, we're not even halfway there. Just the opinions?
Don't stop fishing and then I can sleep.
Lester then caught some bait fish. If you guys didn't know, Sembawang is famous for its barracudas, and barracudas love bait fish. But there was a problem. The bait fish were too heavy to cast, and the only way for us to get the bait fish out there is for someone to hold on to it and swim out. With a JC student that has gone mental, and Lester not knowing how to swim, I was the one who had to go.
It's just stop.
Imagine if a barracuda takes it off your head right now. Okay, I'm coming back.
Okay. Ishan! You got it? Oh, scare me, sir.
Despite all our efforts, there were no barracudas showing any signs of interest in grabbing our bait. So we just decided to seize the opportunity and go for a few jetty jumps.
Lester doesn't want to jump. Guys, Lester doesn't.
I don't want to jump.
Hey, Marcus, recording?
Yeah, I'm always recording. 3, 2, 1. Bring the Buddha. 1.
Yes!
1. Jump.
Nice. No, you're right, but
It's fire. Okay, sure.
After that, we went to shower and went back to camp.
Marcus,
Huh?
can you explain to the viewers the situation right now?
Okay, so this is the situation. We have came to this shelter because we stopped fishing early. As you can see, the weather there, yeah, it's gonna rain soon. So yeah, we just leave marking, trying to kill some time before we actually start cooking. Cut the tape. Cut the tape. Okay, go to this one.
what's up, guys?
So guys, he became a monk.
What? Like a monk.
Okay. And
My hair is
guys,
very long, that's why I'm doing this. Because it got in my eye.
he
just now,
legitimately
it
look
hurts
like
me.
like Frieza or some crap, man. No, wait, wait, Piccolo.
Maintaining a morale is very important.
So that's why don't tie your hair as if you're a
Bro.
monk.
It's required.
So right now the situation is kind of shaky. We're not sure where to stay. Not sure what to do.
Just stay here. So we're just gonna chill first. And then we'll cook up. We got Campbell soup. Maybe we're gonna cook instant noodles. Because I brought that.
I'm thinking.
Some fish. But I don't think we have enough oil, but whatever. We'll find a way.
I mean, you can take oil from my skin if you want.
Okay, just
Use all the salt and oil. Just fry it. Just fry it. Just fry it. Just.
my hand there is gone.
Yeah, he realized that how retarded he looked and took it off.
I like look at my phone and I was like,
Right, so. Yep. This may be like one of the last few scenes before we film the other scene. So other than that, we'll get back to cooking later.
Okay, so we just got done cooking the soup. And we made this. Because we forgot to bring cups or whatever, or spoons. So we just took the can, we rolled the edges over so we wouldn't get cut. That's how we're gonna drink from. Soup. We all got it. Okay, go inside. Soup. Soup. Tastes pretty good. It's hot. Don't need cook already. I think I can survive.
Oh, we cooked tomorrow morning. You know what's so funny about Marcus? I was planning to sleep on the floor.
I know it.
That's so good. It's green.
You like chocolate?
I got. Really bad right now, guys. I'm not even kidding. The situation is
It's gonna be a rough night.
I'm not gonna sleep. I cannot.
this is really going bad. This is really bad. Inside the shelter, I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out, man. I just hope everything goes fine.
Finally did it.
It's raining. I'm feeling cold as shit. They are feeling cold as shit
It's
actually.
a very big morale booster
And
for
this
us.
is a big morale booster. That Maggie over there's right there. Oh yeah.
Look at that.
And Marcus, what the heck, man?
Because
Wow. These chopsticks, guys.
What the heck, man?
okay, do it. Oh my god.
So
Holy shit! Over level.
Marcus is using twigs as chopsticks.
They taste like wood.
Small hint of wood.
Well, hope it's not penis wood.
Sadly, the storm never stopped, and it only got worse. That was probably one of the worst nights that I ever had.
Wait, oh, it's damn dark here. Nishan is regretting something, yes?
Yeah, I'm just telling the guys that I'm regretting because I didn't take a shit at home just now in the morning.
Yeah.
I
Yeah, I know.
So-
I'm seriously thinking.
Alright guys, not sure if you guys can see me. We are all tired as heck. I can't even shoot Lester's face. There's Lester right there. The sun is just starting to set to rise. Marcus here.
Yeah.
Slept like a dog. Or should I say a pig? So basically, last night really rough. Got beaten by 200 mosquitoes. And it was cold as heck. But the good news is we're making a move. We'll be leaving right about 5 minutes or 10 minutes later. I mean, this trip has been quite good. Huh?
You like a ghost.
Yeah, I look like a ghost because the light just off, but I don't really have a choice, man. I don't really care anymore. It's been a good trip.
We barely even slept and felt extremely tired by daybreak. However, this was still all in all a great experience, and we would definitely do it again.